I've been waiting for an easy way to spend my crypto assets, and it's finally here. Coinbase finally sent me their debit card. And that's what this video is all about. Hi everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Finance with Nick. Now for today's video, we're gonna be going over how to spend your crypto. Now everyone knows that buying a cryptocurrency is a fantastic or horrible investment opportunity. But what a lot of people do not know about is that cryptocurrency can be a payment to everything you buy. Now, up until recently, it was essentially impossible to spend your cryptocurrency without transferring it back to cash. But technology and companies have come a long way since the beginning of the cryptocurrency. And I'm excited to show you an easy way how to spend your cryptocurrency and also earning cash back in crypto for those purchases. Win, win, win. All right, now a couple months ago, Coinbase sent me an email introducing their Coinbase card, but you got to get put on a list. So I got on that list and my card just came in. But before I get into that, we're just going to go over the basics of the Coinbase card and what it is, what it's all about. Now the Coinbase card, as you could see right here, it says coming soon. So you will have to sign up to get started. Also possibly get on a wait list depending on when you're watching this video. But as you can see, you could spend your crypto or US dollars. Now, if you're going to spend your US dollars, it's essentially just like a prepaid debit card. You're gonna load up your money there and then you're gonna spend it gradually. Or you can transfer your crypto to it and just spend funds you already have within the Coinbase wallet or their Coinbase account. Now, why use this over any other debit card or prepaid card is because you can earn rewards. You can earn cryptocurrency for your purchases. Now, like with a lot of credit cards, how they have cash back, this is cash crypto. That didn't make sense. This is crypto back. That also didn't make sense. Whatever. You spend your money and you get crypto. You get 4%. Now, most credit cards are between 1 and 3%. So a 4% cash back on your purchases is pretty darn good. Now, it also says right here that there's no annual fee, which is great. Now, it does say up to 4%, but that's just going to be determinant on which cryptocurrency you earn. Now, there is a bunch of 4% options, but the 1% option is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is obviously the most popular one out there. So if you choose a couple other ones like Stellar, the Graph, Amp, which are all fantastic coins, you can earn 4% back. So for me, I'm choosing the 4%. All right, now, like I said, I filled all this stuff out a couple weeks ago and the card just came in the mail. So we're gonna open it, we're gonna activate it, we're gonna get into it. And there it is. And there it is. Absolutely beautiful. All right. This is a very, very stylish card. I absolutely love it. Blue is my favorite color, so perfect. All right, now it feels good. It feels like any other debit or credit card that you're gonna get. Let me look at this stuff. Let's see. Earn crypto rewards for everyday purchases. 24/7 email and phone support. And it says Coinbase will automatically convert all cryptocurrencies to US dollars and transfer the funds to the Coinbase card, minus the conversion fees. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go activate the card itself. So let's go over to Coinbase. Let's see, here we go. All right, it says your card has been shipped. Where do we activate it? Activate Coinbase card. Activate the physical card. All right, now essentially I just need to type in the number. So this is gonna be boring, but give me a second. All right, so we activated the card. All right, and set my PIN. Let me set my PIN real quick. All right, and boom, my card is officially activated. Now let's click done. All right, now that it's activated, let's go out and spend our crypto. Let's do it. All right, so I'm back. We used it for a couple different purchases And I just want to go over my experience. We'll do some pros and cons real quick, and then you can figure out whether you would like to get a Coinbase card yourself. All right, now for the pros, I think it is insanely cool that you could just spend your cryptocurrency anywhere, at any store, at any time. You could buy anything with your cryptocurrency. I think that is insanely cool, and I think that's a fantastic next step to getting crypto absolutely mainstream. I mean, it's already mainstream, but just making it everywhere. All right, now next, I really do like the 4% that you get back with every purchase. Now, it's a little bit higher than most credit cards. Some credit cards have a 5% cash back, but 4% is really generous. That's really cool that they do that. And also another pro is that it works like any other debit card. There's nothing else that you have to do. All you have to do is just swipe it like you would any other debit card. You don't have to learn anything new. You don't have to do anything. How to use a specific card just baked into your memory. So you don't have to change. You don't have to alter how you go about your business at all. It's simple. It's a tap, chip, all that. So that's pretty cool. Now for the cons. Now, the only con that I can see is that it has a 2.5% liquidation fee. So essentially, if you don't have any cash, any US dollar in the prepaid card, it uses your crypto, which is pretty cool. But in order to do that, it's going to liquidate your cryptocurrency, and they have a fee for that. They have a 2.5% fee for doing that service for you. So for the pleasure of spending your cryptocurrency anywhere, you got to pay a 2.5% premium. So if, let's say, you buy a burrito, it is $10. That cost to you is now $10.25. Now, if it's a $100 burrito, that's an expensive burrito. That $100 burrito is now going to be $102.50. So just keep that in mind when you're buying stuff. You got to pay a 2.5% premium. Now, essentially, that is the only con that I see with this. Everything else about this card is a pro, and I'm really excited that I just got this. I'm gonna start using this for everything. Maybe not everything. And then maybe in like a month or so, we can go through all the expenses and see whether this card is worth it long term. But short term, it is fantastic. I highly recommend it. I hope this video was useful for you if you're thinking about getting a Coinbase debit card. And that is essentially it. That is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Now, if you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot of good stuff coming out. Now, if you have any questions about anything in this vid, just either hit us up in the email in the description or drop a comment. We will get to everything. Now, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.